Hello guys, today we go here Jaguar X Type 2006 model. Today we're going to change water pump tensioner pulley. Let me open the bonnet up. Yeah, it's a V6 engine. Yeah, as you can see, in this side belt has come off because of the tensioner pulley has broken. This is the main belt and the other pulleys in this side. To get to there, we had to remove this clamp off and remove the air box. Then we have a bit extra space to work around there. We need to undo the sensor cable off from here. It's a bit tight. Yeah, it's quite tight, so we need to use a hook to remove the socket off. And the airbox holding with the 10 mil bolt, one over here and another one here. නෑ එයාගේ අනිත් පැත්තට දිග් අතර තිබ්බේ. එහෙම දෙපැත්තට තිබ්බේ යාගේ මොකක්ද කරන්නේ මට මතක විදියට. And the same time there's two bolt in the front holding the air vent. So once we remove those 4 bolt off, so we can easily remove the airbox away. Then we have a bit extra space to work around. Yeah, now we have a bit extra space to work around. The tensioner holding with the one bolt, 8mm bolt. It's a bit tight. It's quite long bolt. Yeah, this is the bad boy. So as you can see, the pulley has broken. It's a plastic pulley. It's completely worn out. Yeah guys, this is a new part, and before you put anything, it's make sure to compare both. It's a kind of easy process, so because it's holding with one bolt and
රසයි හැමෝම නැවතුණානේ ෆිල්ම් එක. පාටයිම කොහෙද පෙස්සුටද නේ. දෝසිස් කරේ ගාවිති පොඩක් පොඩක්. හේ අයිස් වටනා මම එනකොට බම්ලි කොමන් හරියදී. දඩබඩ.
Now we're going to put the water pump belt on.
Because obviously people are blaming the energy prices because they're going so much, but yeah, anyways, yeah. But you can still save some money on the bills, because obviously by getting classic water installation, you know, the heat is going to be consumed in the house, okay? Our deal is pretty simple. I'm just here to book in the surveys, make sure the houses are all clear for the install, because again, not every single person can, okay? Our job is obviously just to go around, so clear.
Yep.
All they have to do,
Here we go.
put a camera
Belt on.
see, it's all clear.
And yeah, we need to put the airbox back.
Again, if that's the case, just can't do it. Okay. So obviously, if everything, assuming everything is gonna go through,
Yeah,
obviously we can.
it's all lined up.
Just to get the steam, it's gonna finish next month. Okay.
So it's kind of reverse process now. Just
If not, they won't get fine.
put the airbox on and need to all bolt tighten up before we start the engine, and make sure the map sensor cable. So otherwise, if you forgot to connect the cable on, so it might codes come up in the dashboard. So sometimes it's engine not running right, so it's going to be running rough.
I do know how you do it in the rules, but I don't know what it's all about. I don't know how much it's going to charge, or whether we even want it.
Yeah.
You know, so
Okay, is it to say if we could spend less on the bills and just probably give it a thought?
well, of course we will. Yeah, of course we will. But I'm not going to go booking anything.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll be very surprised if anyone around here is going to book anything like that.
You're not a lot of job.
Oh, I know it's your job, but I'll be surprised if anybody does it. Really?
We have a completely booked
Because I don't even know where you're from or who you are.
Yeah, guys. So
You're from where?
pretty much that's it. Quite easy job, but only thing is sometimes to find the part is very hard. Yeah, as you can see, the police is running fine, belt is running fine. Yeah, pretty much that's it for today's video, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see day-to-day new videos. And if you have any comments, just write down. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you with another video.